thank you. Hindi na lista ng staff ko dito. Ticket cancellation. Attorney Pagano, nangyari, nag-aabono yung mga teller. Nagbigay ng example. Hindi naman kagustuhan nila na ikakansilin yun kasi yung mananaya, sabi, ayoko yung ticket niya, mali yan, hindi yan ang tinayaan ko. Sila nagbabayad. So anong
Actually,
decision
Mr.
natin
Chair,
dyan?
as mentioned to you by GM Robles last time, the reason cancellation was stopped is because PCSO was losing 500,000 per day. I think if you remember, Mr. Chair, I was here also during
Okay.
that hearing. 500,000 pesos per day. PCSO was losing that kind of money. It was there was a time that it amounted to 17 million pesos for a month. Now, I understand the plight of the tellers,